Hello, PTE from Let's Update Language Academy. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് retell the lecture, speaking and writing module, retell the lecture ആണ്. So this is a kind of confusing topic for most of you because some of you have this difficulty to catch up all the points when the audio is running. So I can help you with it, but we need consistent practice along with the guidance. Okay, so how are we going to crack this? The first thing that I would like to tell you when you attempt this retell lecture is try not to listen everything that you hear. Okay, കാരണം നമ്മൾ എത്ര മിനിറ്റ് ആണ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ അവർ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? Not even minutes, right? It's just 40 seconds. So 40 seconds ആണ് നമ്മൾ സംസാരിക്കാനായിട്ടുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഈ 40 seconds കൃത്യമായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി even we do not have to go up to 40 seconds. We can wind it up in 30 or 35 seconds. So try to finish it in 30 or 35 seconds. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു 30 seconds fill ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി you will have audio of about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. So they are not expecting you to say everything that's been said in the audio, rather the important points. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ ഇതിനകത്ത് important points select ചെയ്യും? Every points are important. So select what you get from the audio rather than just going confused. Okay. അപ്പോൾ appropriate ആയിട്ട് grammatically correct ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ഒരു ലെക്ചർ റീറ്റെൽ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you please don't try to do multitasking. For example, when you get a point and you're trying to write it down in a paper, don't try to listen it the other points that is going on. This is where you'll be struggling. Okay, ഈ ഒരു ഏരിയ ആണ് നമ്മൾ സ്ട്രഗിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. We feel like listening to everything that you get. Okay, so I'm going to give you an audio. ഞാനൊരു ഓഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇപ്പം കേൾപ്പിച്ചു തരാൻ പോവാണ് and we'll try to get just 3 points from that audio. Okay, അപ്പോൾ beginners ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? You just try to get just 2 points from the audio. അതായത് ഒരു 2 sentence പ്രോപ്പർ ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയെടുക്കാനായിട്ട് നോക്കുക. Okay, so beginners ഭയങ്കര പാടാണ് റീറ്റെൽ ദ ലെക്ചർ, എനിക്ക് ഭയങ്കര പാടാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ try to copy down just 2 sentence. അതല്ല I have little confidence in this area, അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഒരു 4 sentence വരെ ഇതിനകത്തുനിന്ന് എഴുതിയെടുക്കാനായിട്ട് നോക്കുക. That's all we need. Okay, and then you can start. You always should have a introduction. അതൊരു pre-plan ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ പോകണം. Don't try to be very spontaneous. അവിടെ spontaneous ആയിട്ട് it's well and good always, but then preparation is all that matters. So like the lecture is about or the audio is about എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോവാം. Then in between speaker says, speaker points out, speaker focuses on the other hand എന്നൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്ക് connectives യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാം. But more than that, the content is important. So content നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ ഈ ലെക്ചർ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ just increase the speed by writing 1 point, then make it 2, then 3, finally 4, not more than that. Okay, can we try that? അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഓഡിയോ പ്ലേ ചെയ്യാം. Okay,
we're going to talk about artificial sweeteners, the sugar substitutes that have become so popular in recent years. First, let's get one thing straight. Artificial sweeteners are not the same thing as sugar. They are man-made chemicals that mimic the sweetness of sugar without the calories. Now, you might be wondering, well, if they are not sugar, how do they make things taste sweet? It's simple. Artificial sweeteners are hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, so you only need a tiny amount to achieve the same level of sweetness. But what about the health concerns associated with artificial sweeteners? Some people worry that they may cause cancer or other diseases. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. In fact, the FDA has approved several artificial sweeteners for use in food and drinks, and they are considered safe in moderation. That being said, it's important to note that artificial sweeteners are not a magic solution for weight loss or healthy eating. They may help reduce your calorie intake, but they shouldn't be relied upon as a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. In conclusion, artificial sweeteners are a safe and effective sugar substitute for those looking to reduce their calorie intake. Just remember to use them in moderation and maintain a healthy...
So I hope you have listened to the audio, and after this audio I wanted to know how much points that you have got. ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ that's enough, 2 പോയിന്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ that's enough. So that shows your level and will slowly improve that level. Okay, so let's start. How are we going to say that? The audio is about artificial sweetness or man-made sweetness. The speaker says it is 100% sweeter than the original sweetness. However, some people are concerned about its consequences because it may cause cancer, but there is no evidence of it. Even FDI has approved to use some of the artificial sweetness in some of the food substances, and the speaker focuses or points out that this isn't a magic solution for weight loss. Overall, speaker asserts that this can be used only in moderation. See, I have noted down a lot of points maybe, but as I've mentioned, gradually improve the pace and make sure that the points that you write, you should have a clarity on that. Do not note down just some words where you will struggle or fumble when you try to make it into a sentence if you're intermediate or a beginner level. If you're an expert or an advanced level student, you can make a sentence spontaneously, that doesn't matter. But if you're not, then try to point out or note down the exact sentence properly, okay? So this is a trick. Try it out and let me know, does it work for you? So see you with another module. Bye.